Hi everyone, this is Kivo Vlog, simply from actor based here in Kinab, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na ito reaction video ang latest performance ni Jong Madalilay, the first performance sa taong 2026. Napanood niyo ba yung magpakailanman niya? I think yes, magpakailanman na story niya. Papanoorin ko ulit yun kasi ang kalahati lang, hindi ko pa siya natapos. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out what Jong Madalilay has to offer. Go! Tama ba yun, ma'am? Ano kakantahin niya?
You're still watching All Out Sundays! Grabe 2026 na. Parang kailan lang may pa-bucket list ako for 2025.
Totoo. Speaking of, anong number one goal nyo this year?
Ooh.
Ako, for me, I wanna see my family abroad. Lahat sila magkakasama na dun. Ako na lang naiwan, so I wanna see them.
Ako siguro mas mag-level up pa yung career ko to be more in the mainstream.
Tama. Ako din. Siyempre, magkaroon ng more projects at makapagpatayo na ng sariling bahay. Diba?
Yes, manifesting.
Manifesting. Yes, of
Goal
course.
nating lahat to make sure na siksik sa saya and with good music ang Sundays na mga kaayos natin. Kaya tuloy work today is
Ay, may ads pa talaga. Wait lang, ano daw? Okay, ito na. Ito na kay Jong. Okay. Oh. What's the title of this song? I forgot the title of this song. Grabe yung emotion niya. Diyos ko, huwag naman sana magpaiyak si Jong, ha? Ganda talaga ng boses niya. Iba talaga ang boses niya. This is something that I really love about him talaga. Napapa-mesmerize ka, napapatulala ka, lahat na lang ng emotion. Alam mo yung mararamdaman mo talaga sa boses niya. Ang boses niya kasi may pagka-raspy na yung pagka-husky. Tapos the way he tells a story, alam mo yung kinakanta niya, pero parang kinakwentuhan niya tayo kung ano dapat mararamdaman mo sa kantang to. Sa totoo lang. Yung emotion niya talaga, feeling ko talaga yung mga experiences niya in life, ginagamit niya dito yung emotions niya dito kaya siguro habang kumakanta siya, yung mga naiisip niya, yung mga sakit sa puso niya. Kasi usually, puro masasakit yung kinakanta niya sa totoo lang. Anyways, tuloy na natin to. Balik natin without any pauses, okay? I will try my very best. Ay, hindi siyang
na natin yan sa
Go!
Just Jong.
Just Jong.
I'm jealous of the rain that falls upon your skin. It's closer than my hands have been. I'm jealous of the rain. I'm jealous of the wind that ripples through your clothes.
Okay.
It's closer than your shadow. Oh, I'm jealous of the
Grabe. Grabe yung low notes niya.
'cause I wished you
Shifting.
best of all this world could give.
Buong buo.
And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back, tell me
Grabe, no? Ramdam mo yung emotion.
heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. 'Cause I would
May keychain siya dito, oh.
And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back. Tell me all
Grabe yung emotion niya.
was heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without
Ganun pala yung aim niya. Magpapaiyak siya ngayong taon, bagong taon. Ganun pala yun. Kung alam ko lang, Jong, sa totoo lang. Charis. Bakit naman? First performance of the year, nagpapaiyak siya for today's video. First performance of the year, gusto niya tayong umiyak. Tama ba yun? Lalo yung pinaka-last part niya. Yung nakiki-change na siya. Iba din yung atake niya dito eh.
to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back. Tell me all you found was heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way
Wait.
you're happy without me.
Yes. Ba't parang nananakit siya dito for today's video? Anyways, that is our for today's video from Jong Madaliday. This is K-Pop Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!